All of the screws that are holding the cowl in place are just rusted, and as you can see, and I physically can't take them out. It's kind of disappointing, but if I don't take the cowl out, I can't take the fenders off, which is even worse. And if I don't take off the fender, I can't take off the front fender, front bumper, because it's screwed inside there. Maybe I can get it from under the car, but I don't know. The front grille, I managed to screw off the top screws, but the bottom three are stuck. I did manage to take out the front windshield after some wrestling with it. As you can see, there's some rust spots alongside the top of the windshield, and I didn't manage to screw off the what is it called? The dashboard. I did take out the top screws, but it's still not loose. It's a little bit loose, but it's sitting somewhere. I'll find out where, and I will take it out tomorrow. I did take off the vinyl lining on the sides and on the middle. I managed to take off the rear bumper, and I found out why this part is bent. It's because someone used the hook that was here to drag the car backwards and just warp this part. And this part as well at the same time. I managed to screw off the latch here, and I managed to take off the cap. It's a little bit corroded, but it's still okay, I guess. But it sat pretty hard in there. I tried to remove this, but I have no idea how it's attached to there. I would just have to look on the internet for it. I still didn't take off the doors or the door lining. As you guys know, I don't know much about engines, but it looks okay to me. There isn't any like random gunk in there. It looks oiled and shiny. No rust I can see. There was some rust on the screws from the engine, but the insides of the engine look pretty good, I guess. Chain is shiny, like everything else. Inside the engine, at least. Okay guys, today was a hard day, because yesterday was the first day working here on the car. Today I managed to do some things. I managed to take out the mid console and tried to screw out the steering wheel. I didn't manage to do that, but I will find out how to do it and I will do it tomorrow. I checked the engine. It looks nice and clean inside. I mean, oiled, but clean and shiny. So that's a good sign. And today was kind of disappointing, because I wanted to take off the front grille and maybe the fenders, but I didn't manage to do that because the screws are just stuck